Hey guys, welcome back with another video, and in this video I'm going to tell you what is the perfect age to start playing badminton. Before starting the video, please subscribe to our channel Legend Vision and press the bell notification on so you never miss any video. What is the perfect age to start playing badminton? Badminton is one amazing sport and people enjoy playing and watching it. It is a brilliant game which does not have age bars. From a small kid to an aged adult, everyone can play it. That's the beauty of this sport. However, when it comes to establishing a career in badminton, there are some age boundaries that should be followed. There are many parents who are badminton fans and want their kids to establish their career in the field of badminton. Many kids and teenagers also crave to become successful in this sport. Apart from every other thing, there are doubts in the mind of many people about the badminton age rule. What is the perfect age to learn badminton? Badminton is a sport that can be played at different levels and people of all ages can play it according to the level. Since every level of badminton has some physical needs, therefore as the level goes higher, the age matters. Singles and doubles at the international level. The international level of any sport is the toughest and it cannot be played easily on relying upon the training of a few months. To establish oneself in an international career, the start should be very early, the earlier, the better. It requires commitment towards the sport and other things are secondary. Before a kid reaches 8, the game should be played for fun, without focusing on the improvisation. Children at such an adolescent age cannot understand the skills that well. A kid should start getting coaching and training for badminton at the age of 7 or 8. The Olympic Queen of India PV Sindhu started playing badminton at the age of 8. She is one of the greatest examples of success. Usually, at the international level, the players are selected at a very adolescent age. Even the players of 12 years old are selected by the Badminton Association of the country, after which they have to go through arduous training under strict routine. This helps them to stay fit and healthy. Their skills and tact for the better understanding of the game are also improved. Here are some reasons why starting at early age helps. Physical fitness. It is mostly said that kids' body best agility can only be done before 14 years. I mean to say that if you start training two player from same day, physically one is young and other is old, then the old boy going to take twice the time to build quickness like that of younger. You have probably seen that in gymnastics beginners are of age below 10. This is because it is easier to train their flexibility and their bones are not that much rigid comparison to grown kids. Same applies in badminton. You need a good amount of flexibility, first to increase your reach and second to avoid injury. Starting training early age helps to build that foundation so that later when they grow up focus can be put on just sharpening the skill. Time. You cannot deny this that a 9 to 10-year-old child have more free time than a 16-year-old boy, and if coached correctly then young kid can become a national player by time he turns 16. So am I saying that a grown-up kid cannot spare time to train in badminton? Well, not. But here it is not just a matter of time, there are much more things going on in a life of a 17 or 18-year-old boy, passing out of school, joining college, having to pay your own expenses, whereas for kids it is a completely different scenario. Studies. This is one of the main reason why thousands of capable player not become a great player. See if you are from a sports family or father is amazingly rich or your family understand these sports things, then this is not a problem, but if you are a normal person from a normal family then your parents sooner or later going to tell you that you should stop playing this, it is affecting your studies. As a young boy have less burden of studies so it won't be a problem for him, but for an old boy studying in 11th class this might come in your way of becoming a badminton player. What advantage late starting player have? So I have talked about so much advantage etiquette have overgrown up, but when we look at the big picture all want to achieve same thing, which is to reach at level so that they can be known in badminton community. Now it doesn't matter if you are getting there early or later, destination is same for all people. Let's talk about some advantage which a grown-up have. Fully developed mind. Badminton is not just about playing simple shots or getting at the top of your physical level. There are a lot of things going on during a rally, and one of the main thing that you need to master if you want to be successful is choosing right shot at right time. If you see a match of 10 to 12-year-old, even though their foundation is solid, but still they have not reached that level where they are consciously making shot too off balance their opponent, but a grown-up can learn this quickly. Power. It is a simple thing that grown-ups are more powerful than kids and their shot will be more sharper, so in this scenario you are ahead in learning process. Conclusion. If you or your child is from 8 to 12 years old, then she is good to go. Now for players who started late, I started playing badminton at the age of 14 and I can understand what you are feeling. Most of the time I get demotivated by losing to a player who is half my height and age, really feels a lot. Those points I mentioned above are true, but you have the best time that only a old player poses, even if you are a beginner. That is understanding of game, what you are doing, why you are doing. The amount of passion and intelligence a old player have is way larger than a young player. I just want you to remember that. There are players who are smarter than you, have more skills than you, but have no excuse to give why you should not work more harder than everybody else. Some real-life examples: Lee Chong-wei is currently, the 23rd of December 2017, 35 years old, and he still reached to Dubai Super Series finals by beating player younger than him. Those people who keep saying that after 30 years career will be over, so you are too late to start playing badminton, this example you should tell them. He started playing badminton at the age of 11, which is 6 years later than Lin Dan. I don't remember the name of Chinese player, but he was a late bloomer, started playing badminton at age of 18 years and still's able to represent his country in Olympics. There is no age limit on representing your country in Olympics. At 17 years, a player has a high potential to become finest world-class shuttler. The sport of badminton demands a lot of energy and hard work, and the fitness level should be extremely well. Usually, many players retire around the age of 30, as they are unable to match the fitness level of the other young shuttlers. There are some exceptions, such as Lee Chong-wei, who is 35 years old and still performing brilliantly and still playing for gold. There are many badminton aficionados and aspirants who want to become doubles shuttler to hustle at a higher level of tournaments and championships. They also require to start at the minimum age of 10. The doubles shuttler can play even if they reach 35. Badminton is so far the best way to stay fit and had a number of fitness benefits. A person who wants to play badminton for better fitness, to socialize and for entertainment, then there are no badminton age rules. Many adults at clubs can be seen playing badminton. Also, many aged and senior citizens can be seen playing badminton at the age of 50 to 60 years old. Unless and until a person wants to become a world-class shuttler, there is no defined age limit or fitness level. As a result, anyone can play badminton at any age. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We meet in next video. Till then, bye, take care, have a nice day.